Alright guys, we got the framing done. Today we're gonna put the cedar plank up here. Let's get to it. Guys, we are back. We are going to add the Cedar Soffit. It's a tongue and groove, and so that's the plan for today. So this is what we're using. Pacific knotty cedar with some planking that we found at Home Depot. And I think it was like $19 or $20 a case. So I bought two, should be enough to cover that area. And I bought that because it's cedar, but it's lightweight. I didn't want too much weight on that. So I have a bunch of like 2.5 foot pieces left over, and I have this little gap So I think I'm just gonna put some blocks so I have the, you know, somewhere for the pieces to grab onto, and just use the pieces, do 45-degree cuts so they're not really noticeable. I don't think it'll be a big deal. I mean, it's just a soffit, and I have enough with the pieces that I had left over, so I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit, I guess. Alright guys, we got all the paneling done. So now we're gonna do the fascia around the front, and that's gonna be painted, so we're gonna use cheaper white wood that can be painted. But that's what it looked like. Alright, so here's my mistake, and it's just that one row that we had to piece together, and then we trimmed it out. Oh, oops, my bad. I got one more piece to put right here, and then we're gonna do the fascia.